Hey there, my name is Nitish, and in this video I am going to show you how you can create VM instance on Google Cloud Platform. So first of all, I will go to navigation menu and look for Compute Engine. So inside Compute Engine you will see VM instances. So here I will click on create button in order to create my first VM instance. So now it is going to ask some question before creating our first VM. So let's fill the form. So it is asking for the name. So name is permanent option, so let's name something generic. So I am creating this VM for my YouTube channel Anystack, so I will name it Anystack. Label is optional, so let's come to the next one, which is region. So wherever you want your VM to be located, you can select that region, or based on your use case you can select the region. So I will go with default one, which is US Central 1. And for the zone you can select any zone, and remember zone and region are permanent. Let's come to the machine configuration. So for the machine family and series I will leave it as default. We will only touch machine type. So there is standard machine and shared core. So let's see or select some different machine and see the pricing. So for the F1 it is $4.28 monthly. First 744 hour of F1 is free. Let's select some different machine like G1. For the G1 machine type it's $14.20. So I will go with F1 micro, and because it's like not expensive, it's cheaper. So why there is 744 hour? Because when you divide 744 by 24 it is going to give you 31, which means it is free for 31 days. So you can run F1 micro instance free for 31 days. I think probably we get every month one F1 micro instance free. I don't know when Google is going to stop this, but currently we are getting free for 1 month. So let's come to the boot disk now. So for the boot disk we can select the operating system, what operating system we want in our disk, and I will go with the Debian. For the version we can change the operating system version like Debian 9 or Debian 10. So Debian 9 was older, Debian 10 just released, so I will go with Debian 9. You can select any operating system. So there is boot disk type also. You can select what kind of boot disk you want, and in the right of that there is how much space you want. So by default it's 10 gigabyte. So identity and API access, let's leave it as default. For the firewall I am going to allow HTTP, and later on I will show you how you can play with that, like changing some firewall rules. You can change this after creation of VM also. So creation of VM on GCP is faster compared to any other cloud service provider, and it's almost created. Yeah, so here is our external IP. If you copy the external IP and paste in your browser, it is not going to do anything, but our VM is recognized on internet or on the network by this external IP. So later on we will install some web server software and we will make our VM as a web server. It means